and after school, after I graduate, I'm going up to Coast Mountain College for my heavy duty mechanics. Well, we do a lot of projects for with our wood, and it's going to be exciting that we can do it with all the metal work for the metal shop class as well.
My name is Donald. I'm in the wood shop right now using computer-controlled CNC wood router to cut out signs for a community project.
Logan, what are you doing?
Working in the 1800s.
Jesse, what you doing over here?
Working in the 1800s.
Yeah. Cool.
Good job, Olivia.